Gadgets Review. Top 5 Best USB-C Docking Station Buy in 2022.
Number 5.
USB-C Docking Station Dual Monitor, 14-in-1 USB-C Laptop Docking Station USB Type-C Hub Multiport Adapter Dongle with 2 HDMI VGA PD5 USB SD, TF Audio for Lenovo ThinkPad, Dell, HP, Surface Pro laptops. Product details. Brand HDMI. Color 14-in-1 dock. Hardware interface VGA, USB Type-C, Ethernet, HDMI, Thunderbolt, USB 3.0, USB 2.0. Compatible devices USB-C device. The USB-C interface of the device supports full functions with delivery plus DisplayPort plus data transfer, smartphones, tablets, keyboards, monitors, laptops, card readers. USB-C device. The USB-C interface of the device supports full functions with delivery plus DisplayPort plus data transfer, smartphones, tablets, keyboards, monitors, laptops, card RC more. Total USB ports 5. Data transfer rate 1000 megabits per second, 5 gigabits per second, 480 megabits per second. USB-C docking station 14-in-1 perfectly combined the function of USB-C hub and docking stations, turning USB Type-C port to dual monitor 4K HDMI, VGA, Gigabit Ethernet, 3 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 100W power delivery, USB-C data transfer port, 5 gigabits per second, SD and TF card reader and 3.5mm mic, audio ports. HDMI laptop docking station can increase productivity in the home environment significantly, support triple monitors. Note, please confirm the port and feature, DP Alt mode of your device before purchasing.
Number 4.
NOVOO USB-C docking station dual monitor 12-in-1 laptop hub replicator adapter USB-C dock 4K HDMI VGA Ethernet 100W USB-C PD4 USB aux mic for Dell, Surface, HP, Lenovo, MacBook laptop with Thunderbolt 3/4. Product details. Brand NOVOO. Color silver. Hardware interface VGA, USB, Ethernet, HDMI, 3.5mm audio, USB 3.0, secure digital card. Compatible devices 12 inches MacBook 2015-2016, 2017-2018, 13, 15 inches MacBook Pro 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 or newer version 13 inches MacBook Air 2018-2019 or newer version Mac Mini 2018-2019 or newer version iMac 2018-2019 or newer version Dell XPS 12, 9250, Dell XPS 13, 9350, Dell XPS 15, 9550, Dell Latitude 13 7000, Latitude 13 E737OL12, MacBook 2015-2016, 2017-2018, 13, 15 inches MacBook Pro 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 or newer version 13 inches MacBook Air 2018-2019 or newer version Mac Mini 2018. See more.
Number 3.
Docking station, Herecool 11 Indiana 1, USB-C docking station, dual monitor laptop docking station USB-C dock for Dell HP Lenovo universal docking station for office and work from home. Product details. Brand Herecool. Color black. Hardware interface Thunderbolt. Compatible devices laptops, monitors, projectors, televisions, mouse, keyboards, card readers. Total USB ports 11. Item dimensions LXWXH4, 52 by 2, 36 by 0.59 inches. Industry-leading technology, Herecool Intelligent USB-C Hub has perfectly combined the function of USB-C hub and docking station, compared to the cumbersome docking station with no interface and dual display traditional USB-C hub. Our USB-C hub incorporates a triple display, lightweight, portable and powerful with multi-ports to achieve multi-display, mirror mode, extend mode, video wall mode. Refine your new concept of USB-C hub.
Number 2.
USB-C laptop docking station dual monitor for Dell, HP, Lenovo, Surface, 14-in-1 USB-C hub multiport adapter dongle with 2 HDMI DisplayPort 100W PD Ethernet SD, TF6 USB mic, audio for USB-C, DP alt laptops. Brand ABIWAZY. Color 14-in-1 dock. Hardware interface DisplayPort, USB Type-C, Ethernet, HDMI, 3.5mm audio, USB 3.0, USB 2.0. Compatible devices laptops. The USB Type-C interface of the laptop supports full functions with delivery plus DisplayPort plus data transfer, USB-C device, smartphones, tablets, keyboards, monitors, card readers laptops. The USB Type-C interface of the laptop supports full functions with delivery plus DisplayPort plus data transfer, USB-C device, smartphones, tablets, keyboards, monitors, card re-more. Total USB ports 7. Item dimensions LXWXHO, 67 by 3, 31 by 6.26 inches. USB-C docking station 14 Indiana 1. With this USB-C hub multiple adapter you can easily extend your laptop from one Type-C Thunderbolt 3 port into 14 ports. You get 2 4K HDMI, works perfectly, DisplayPort, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB-C data transfer, speed up to 5 gigabits per second, 2 USB 2.0, USB-C power delivery up to 87W, gigabit Ethernet, 1 gigabit per second, SD, micro SD card readers and 3.5mm mic, audio jack. USB-C to dual HDMI adapter widely applicable for Dell XPS 1315s, Dell Latitude 13700, E7370, Surface, Lenovo, HP etc. laptops.
Number 1.
aseus USB-C docking station 11-in-1 laptop docking station with 2 HDMI, VGA, 3 USB 3.0 port, SD, TF card reader, LAN, 100W PD, 3.5mm aux port compatible with MacBook, Surface Pro, Type-C devices. Brand aseus. Color metallic. Hardware interface Ethernet, HDMI. Compatible devices Microsoft Surface Pro. Total USB ports 3. Data transfer rate 1000 megabits per second, 5 gigabits per second. 1 taken, more given. Plug the USB-C docking station dual monitor to your device's USB-C port and get 11 interfaces to bridge all mainstream devices with your laptop. The USB docking station's 100W USB-C port gives back what's taken and offers even more: 2 HDMI port for 4K output, VGA port for 1080p at 60Hz, 3 USB 3.0 ports, card readers for SD and TF cards, 1000 megabits per second Ethernet LAN port and 3.5mm jack, allowing you have all aside standing by and just put full focus on your task.